everyone, welcome back to the channel Code and Clarity, and today we are diving into something that every computer science student and tech professional needs, that is a strong, impactful resume. Did you know recruiters spend just 6 to 8 seconds scanning your resume? That's literally the time it takes to blink twice. So if your resume is not clear, structured, and attention grabbing, they will move on instantly. But don't worry, by the end of this video you will know exactly how to craft a resume that gets you noticed, with examples and real tips you can apply today. Now let's start with the basics, that is the format. Your resume should be one page only, not two, not three, just one clean focused page. Use a simple modern font like Poppins, Roboto or Lato, and make sure everything is easily readable. Here's the golden layout: header, education, skills, projects and experience. We don't need to over design it. The goal is to make it easy for both recruiters and ATS software to understand your value quickly. Starting from the top, your header section includes your full name in bold, your role or title like front-end developer or computer science student, and then your contact details. Add links to your LinkedIn, GitHub or portfolio website. Those are must-haves for tech resumes. And a small but important tip, use a professional email address like yourname@gmail.com, not something like cutecoder123. Trust me, recruiters notice. Next comes the education section. Mention your college or university name, degree and year of study. If your CGPA is above 8.0 or 3.5 for international, include it. Otherwise, it's fine to skip. Also list a few relevant subjects like data structures, algorithms or database management. For freshers, your education section goes near the top. For experienced candidates, move it down. Now, the skills section. Don't just jump every skill you know. Organize them in categories like this: programming languages, C++, Java, Python, then web development, HTML, CSS, React, Node.js, then tools, Git, VS Code, MySQL. Now, grouping skills make your resume easy to scan. And please don't write soft skills like communication or teamwork here. Those belong in your behavior, not in your resume. Now let's talk about the project section, the part that can really make you stand out, especially if you are a student or a fresher. You should include 2 to 3 of your best projects. And here's the trick: use the action plus task plus impact formula. For example, don't like made a weather app in React. Instead say developed a weather app using React and Open Weather API, improving UI responsiveness by 30%. That one line tells me what you did and how you did it and what the outcome was. Always focus on the impact, and that's what impresses recruiters. Next up, the experience section. This could be internships, freelancing, part-time roles or open source contributions. Don't just list what you did. Show your impact. Don't write worked on backend APIs. Instead write built and deployed backend APIs in Node.js handling 10k plus monthly requests. Action verbs like developed, implemented, optimized and improved make your resume sound confident and professional. Now, what are the common mistakes to avoid? Alright, let's fix the common mistakes which most tech students make in their resume. Adding a profile photo, it's not needed. Writing long paragraphs, recruiters won't read them. Using fancy fonts or colors, they actually break the ATS scanning. Writing vague objectives like seeking to learn and grow, skip it. Don't write these unnecessary things. Keep everything clean, simple, achievement focused. Your content is what matters, not the decoration. Here's an example of a student resume done right. Clear sections, then short bullet points, GitHub and LinkedIn included, projects described with measurable outcomes. This is what you should aim for if you are in college or applying for internships. Now take a look at this professional resume example. Notice that the education section is smaller and the focus shifts to achievements and metrics. Each bullet point should contain the value delivered. For example, optimized data pipeline reducing processing time by 45%. That's the kind of sentence that makes hiring managers stop and read. Now, what are the final resume tips? Let's wrap it up with a few final tips to make your resume unbeatable. Keep it one page only. Quantify your achievements wherever possible. Use consistent fonts, spacing, and alignment. Tailor it for each job role you apply for, and always proofread before submitting. A single typo can make you look careless. And that's it. That's how you create a powerful tech resume that recruiters actually want to read. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more CS and tech career videos, and share it with your friends. Let me know your valuable comments in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.